Oh, looking great, that is. Marvellous. Hello, Pie. Oh, your invention's looking grand.
Ah, yes. Nearly finished now.
What's left then?
Well, I've put a timer on it, and I've got to attach this stop button.
Great. I'll be finished in time for us to get to Penny's tea party.
Assuming nothing goes...
Well...
Oh, be careful with that, Yam Yam. It's all very technical. And whatever happens, don't touch the green button. No, don't touch that.
Oh, a button. Oh, button. No, must not press the button.
Press the button. Oh, yes. Press it. Press it. It's alive! Alive, I say!
Yes, and a grand job you've made too.
But no, it's not finished. Woohoo! I press the button. Oh, see what's happened now? I haven't fitted the stop button yet.
What about the timer?
Well, it could be hours before that runs out. We have to stop him before he paints everything. Yam Yam!